So you're welcome to the continuation video. So I want to show you guys how a squeeze page looks like. So this is how a squeeze page looks like. Let me refresh this so you could see it's actually a real squeeze page. You can see how fast it even loads. The squeeze page should have a header here, and then a sub header here, and then a video that shows the lead magnet you're trying to promote and all that. So let me say that I'm a new user. I want to phil@gmail.com. I want to get access to this lead magnet. And let me just say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. Then I click on send here. As I click on send, it's going to now redirect this traffic now, this user that's filled now to the become an affiliate squeeze page, and sorry, to the become an affiliate page. And this is with my affiliate link that was embedded on that send button. So if the person now comes here directly after trying to get access to my lead magnet and makes a purchase here, he automatically makes a sale that gives me an affiliate commission. So this is the makeshift approach. So ideally, as I said before, that send button is supposed to take the person to my own landing page as an affiliate marketer. But since I don't have the time to make my own landing page, I can make do with the vendor or the platform's landing page for the affiliate packages. So that's exactly what we did here in the makeshift. So what I'll be doing now, let me go back to the squeeze page now. I'll be teaching you guys in this video how to create this very simple squeeze page here. A header here, a sub header here, then the video here, and then the form here. And all these things are totally free. You don't need to get response to actually get it. Then before I proceed, I want to show you guys something. If you go over to your affiliate packages now, if you go over to the premium package, the basic package, the mini package, then come over here to the design tool. I have installed here, or have put into here, two plugins. Plugins are like softwares that enhances your website functionality. So these two plugins would be necessary. If you don't have this Elementor Pro, especially Elementor Pro, you may not be able to get that form that I use to design the squeeze page on this page here. So if that is clear, let's now go there now. So I want to assume that you all have a website like this with Pantheon. So these are my Pantheon sites. So Pantheon site here. So this is the site. So I don't want to go through this again since we've gone through this already. So coming out to your website, the first thing I like doing is I like to do site clearance. So I'm going to clear the site like this. Move to trash. I don't like my site having anything. I like working with a fresh site, so I'm going to clear all these ones, move to trash and all that. So I come over to settings, general settings. First of all, I change this to, let me change to norms digital affiliate training. That's the tagline. Then anybody can register, just basic things you can do on a website, and save the changes. Then come over to permalinks. Once that is done, you change it to post name, and then you come over and you save the video here, you save the changes here rather. So once I'm done now, the next thing I want to do is to give my website a theme. So I come over to appearance and go to theme. So I click on add new. I like Ocean WP. So I activate it. So after I activate it now, I come over to plugin section. I delete all these plugins here. I don't want to have anything to do with them. I delete them here. Do with them. So then I add a new plugin now. So the plugin I'm going to add are the ones that I just showed you guys on your norms account. That's this folder sent to your email. Sorry. So I upload the plugins here. I choose the first one I want to upload, and that's the Elementor itself. I install it. I open and I install it like this. Just give it some time. Okay, that's good. So I go back, don't activate yet. We are going to activate all together. So I go back now to plugin installer. and then I upload another one again, and then I click on the Elementor Pro this time. This one up here is the one I'm using, so I install this one too. So I now go over to install plugins. I click on all of them like this, so I click on activate, so I'm going to activate it. So this is just a very simple way to go about it. There's something I didn't do. I didn't install the Ocean Extra. I'm supposed to install it. So after I've installed the plugins and I have my theme set, I come back to pages now. I click on add new page. What page do I want to create? I want to create a squeeze. So I come over to here. I name it squeeze page. So I don't want the title to show, so I come back to title first and I disable the title. Then I come over to the main here. I want it to be full width, not 100%, just full width. Yeah. Then I publish it, and then I publish it like this. So after I'm done publishing this page, so I come over to edit with Elementor, and then I edit it. It's very, very simple. You'll see how simple it is. So don't forget, what we need is a header, a subheader, then a video presentation here that explains my lead magnet, then the form here, then another an acknowledgement of who I am and all that. So that's just basically it. So I come over here, I click on this plus sign, I click on this box here. So this box has to do, it stands for a block. So the first thing I'm going to put inside this block is a header. So that's a header here. Simple. The next thing I'm going to put here is a subheader. So I come over to text editor here, I put it underneath here. Just watch underneath like that. Then the next thing I'll put is an inner section that I can use to put the video here and the other box here. Then the last thing I'll now put also is another header, the header for my description. So that's basically what I just did now. So what do I do now? This header, this title here, I'm going to copy this title here and come over to this first header and just paste it here. That was all. So I'm going to centralize it. Don't worry, I'll design all soon. Then I come over here, I copy this one too. Let me copy this. Okay, let me do it like this. Okay, I copy this, I come back here, this here, I do like this, and that's how it is. And I also centralize it. I bring this one down like this and I centralize it here. Simple. Then this has to be, this face here is going to be a video, so I'll carry a video, I'll drag a video here and put it here. Then what's the link of the video? I can copy the link of the video here by clicking on share. I think I can copy the link like this, then come over here, click this edit button here, then come over to the link here and paste the video there. So the video is already here. Then for this form, I come over here again, then I click on form. Then I'll see this form here now. So I paste it here. So this form has name, email, messages. I don't want that. What I want to add is a phone number. So I come over to this type here. I click on tell. What does this advanced show? Advanced shows nothing. Okay, so that should be okay. So I click on tell, and what is the label name? I say phone number. And do I want it to be required? Yes, I want it to be required because that's very, very necessary for WhatsApp marketing. So for now, that should be it. Then the buttons here is send button. Now, that's, do you want send or download? Whichever one you want to use, but I think send is just okay. So no need to touch that one now. So the email is going to be my email, sending messages to them and all that once they fill this form here. So that's majorly. Then a part that is quite important is I think, let me check, the redirect action after submission. Thank you. Yes, in action after submission, please ensure you put redirect here. It's so essential if you want to send your traffic to your custom landing page. That's your affiliate link landing page. So that's the redirect here. So if you come down now, you see a redirect here. So what do I do now? I come over to the NOMS website. Then I want to redirect them to the become an affiliate page of the NOMS website. So I come over here. Yes, to become an affiliate page of the Noms website. So I copy this, I copy this, I come over here, and then I paste it here. But I don't end there. After I paste it here, I'll now add question mark ref equals to whichever affiliate name I'm going to use. Let me say it's Onos I want to use. So that's the affiliate. Question mark ref equals to Ono. So once they click on this send button, it will take them now to this page where they can make a sale, and every sale made now on this page will be traced to me, Onos, on this page. Now that's the Onos here. Now question mark ref equals to Onos. So I'm going to update this first of all, because if you don't update it, you lose everything you have worked for. So let me cancel this one here. So to this now, I want to increase it a little. So I come over to style, I come over to the color rather. Let me just make it red as it is here. But before I start to work on it, so let me just work on the old background first. So I want to change the background color. I want to use the color I used here. That's for this one. So I come to my color picker. I'll pick it here. I'll copy this color code. That will be it. Then I'll come over here. I'll paste the color code here. So that's it. So that's how you have it. So that's how I use my color picker. So here too, for this one, I'll come to the color picker again. I'll pick the red color I use here. Now if I want to use it, I copy that one too. So design is very, very simple. You don't need to stress yourself. Paste it there, and that's it. So this one was actually white I used. So I'll come to style. I'll come to the color here. I'll just drag it up here, and that's white. For this one too, I'll come to style. That's for the form. Now I'll come to style. I'll come to the text color. I'll also drag it up and make it white here, so it's quite clear. Then there's something I have not done here now. This text form, I want to make them required. So I'll come over to this require mark. I'll click on yes. This is the red mark. It's required and it's required. So that's it. So this send button again. Let me see if I can style it. I didn't style it on that one. Let me go to buttons now. So what do you want to look like on color? Do you want it to be red? If you want it to be red, let me paste it red like that here. So that'll be very, very fine. Now if I want it to be hover also, the hover, how do I want it to be on hover? So let me say the background color on hover should be something like this. So if you hover like this, something like green rather, like this. Beautiful. Let me make it lighter green. And that's basically it. So this last one here, I'm going to now put this sorry, let me cancel this one. I copy this. Hope it copied though. And I paste it here. Then I centralize it also. Then I'm going to change the color. Maybe I'll use the same color I used here. So I'll come over again to my color picker. I'll use the yellow color here. Copy that. Control C is copy. So that's why you don't see me writing it. I'll come over to style now. I'll come over to the color and then I'll paste it here. Voila, my squeeze page is ready. Very, very simple to make. I'm going to now come over here now, pick up this one, and that's it. I'm going to paste it here. Take me to my admin backend. So I'll now come over to the pages now, all pages. So this is it now. I'll now view my squeeze page like this now. So this is my squeeze page. My squeeze page is all set. So this is my squeeze page now. So I've remade it even finer than this one that I made initially. So this is the former one and this is the new one. So you can see the differences now. So that's basically how to create a squeeze page. So if people come now to the squeeze page, I can now send my traffic to this squeeze page. As they fill their name, their email and phone number and they click on send, it takes them to the Noms become an affiliate page, but yet I have their contact saved already. So this is basically how to create a squeeze page and using the Makeshift approach. Thank you guys.